Welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Cheers, Peter. It's a privilege to be here. It really is.
Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
The Brazilian-born Diego Costa. Mobile and wiry, he has an aggressive streak that he somehow manages to keep just below the right side of the mark, but his hunger for goals is insatiable, and that's motivation enough for him.
Yeah, the easiest way to make a difference is to score, so no argument there. Thrust towards the front line. Chance! Bale crosses in a low one. He scored!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
Cristiano Ronaldo is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for them.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Chip through. It'll be a throw-in. Modric. Bale. Benzema passes it through. Carvajal coaxed out to the wing. Bale looking to get on the end of this. Firmly met. Isco. Whose ball? Who's going to get there? Diego Costa. Pedro. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And it's Carvajal. Who's going to make this theirs? Pepe comes sliding in. Mikel. Looks like a good ball through. Can he find a finish now? Defending was physical, no nonsense, and it had to be.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Looks to slip it through. Bale looking to get on the end of this. They've managed to get it away. Modric with the ball through. Now it's Bale. Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Pedro. Costa. That's not going to make it. Now it's Benzema. Defence has got rid of that. Isco. And it's Benzema. Now it's Costa. Pedro. That's surely a foul. Free kick. Mikel fires from distance. Isco. He scored inside the first 10 minutes to make it 1-0. That's put paid to a promising move. Well, that looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Daniel Carvajal. Isco tries a long pass towards the front. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Good, strong hand by the keeper. Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, he made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
The chances keep on coming. They're awarded another corner. Keeper sees it all the way. Mikel. Isco. Now it's Benzema. A chance! Oh, that's neat. Benzema has a go! And again the keeper stands strong. Willian. Tries making a foray down the right. Oh, no question, that's a foul. Kroos. Willian. Oh, he's come flying in. It's a loose ball.
That's good defence, plain and simple, good defence. They refuse to allow a turn.
Terry. Benzema! He's missed another one.
Yeah, they should be out of sight, and they're not because of a little sloppiness in front of goal.
And out to safety. Struck first time. And he's there to make a great save.
That wasn't the easiest of saves by any means, Peter, and I think his instincts were, well, they were just razor sharp.
And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Costa. Benzema. Tries a through ball. Oh, flags up.
He may have been caught offside, but that's his game. He plays on the shoulder of the last defender and hopes to time it right, Peter.
Begovic gets it upfield. Into the channel. Now the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Willian hurtling down that right flank. And he has been fouled there. He's done very well to get to that.
The keeper has shown great concentration there.
And the first 45 minutes are up. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
Well, they're playing a game of wait and wallop. Let the opposition have the possession and defend in numbers, and then wallop, hit them hard and fast on the break. It's worked once, and they can do it again.
Leading 1-0 at the break.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
And it's Marcelo. And the defence can get it clear. Toni Kroos. Pedro. Diego Costa. And that's a foul. Free kick's been given. And that's going to be a booking. Players have gathered round and they are clearly concerned. Hazard, and they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Bale. Now the pass. Well weighted. Just the goalkeeper to beat. He can get that clear. Toni Kroos tries a through ball. Drilled in low. He's dealt with that well. That's a throw. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
Yeah, it's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Oh, that's a booking. Always looked it. Costa. And the shot! Just off target.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success.
And it's Benzema. Raspilicueta. Pedro. Modric knocks it towards the front. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo finds himself offside.